Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel. Today's video, I will show you how you can massage your baby, and I will show you how we massage our baby. If you massage your baby, your baby will be comfortable throughout the day. It will relieve constipation, trapped gas, and throughout the day he will be sleeping very well. And for this video, my wife will help me. So let's get it started. At first, loosen the diaper. Put some oil on your both thumb, just like that, and then you start by massaging the baby's stomach very gently from the top to all the way massaging to the bottom, just like that. Use your finger, don't press it too hard, just gently. Do the massage maybe 5 to 7 times, and then do it with your thumb finger. Five to 7 times. Just play with the baby a little bit. If the baby is fussing or crying or moving around, just play with your baby a little bit and then massage it back. Now use your finger and massage it like that, just like that. This will relieve the trapped gas from the baby's stomach. If your baby has constipation, or if you notice your baby is not pooping for 2 days, 3 days, there's no movement, try to do massage every morning before you feed and afternoon before you feed your baby. 2 times a day is enough, but after you massage the baby, there's second part you have to do.
It's called cycling motion.
This is called cycling motion. This is called cycling motion.
And little bit press.
You press it and then
play around with baby.
now massage your baby's both hands at the same time, because while you're massaging the baby's stomach, you can massage your baby's whole body, both of your baby's leg and both of his hand. If you notice your baby is moving around, just play with your baby a little bit, play around, because he or she will be moving around a little bit while you're massaging it. It's a good idea to massage the whole body while you're massaging the baby's stomach for constipation or gas, Our experience with the baby, as far as massaging, there is a second part you have to do. After you finish the massage, I will show you the second part of the process. So the second part of the process is very important. I bet your baby will poop maybe within 20 minutes to an hour if you do the second process. Wait till the end of the video and I will show you the second process. Massage his face just like that. Turn your baby around. Massage your baby's back just like that. Massage your baby's scalp. Just like that. Massage your baby's feet. After massaging your baby, let your baby sit on the bouncer and this will help him poop. And this is my own experience with my baby. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you.